welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a mess. I am stuck here on the freeway, as you guys can see, waiting for a tow truck. Oh, my brother's back there. I'm waiting for the tow truck, and the tow truck is still not here. I am sweating, mis angelitos. This only happens to me on a week before my birthday. Like, what happened was that Angelito was driving, and I was driving from home thinking that my car overheated, but my car didn't overheat. What happened is that, oh, I'm freaking sweating. I'm sweating. I don't know how many times I've seen those type of cars, like U-Haul or vans in the freeway. I am tired. I'm waiting. I'm trying to sit here because I hate this. Yeah, and my brother just texted me. He's chilling in there because there's AC. So, yeah. Just waiting on my tow truck. Oh, let me tell you guys what happened. I forgot. So, I started driving from home. My car started going slow, like very slow. I was like, I'm just probably on crack, you know. You know, when your car goes slow, the main thing you're all like, oh, step on it more. So I'm like over here like, yum. And my car wouldn't go. So then I started seeing smoke and I was like, ah! So then I see smoke and you see me parked right here in the middle of the freeway. Yeah, tell me that. Tell me if that ain't a good one. So then I call my brother. I wait an hour with 30 minutes. Mind you, my car has no AC, so I'm sweating over here. And my brother gets here. He checks my car. He tells me, hopefully it just needs water. So he puts water on and he starts telling me, if something spills out, you know, you messed up the engine. Clearly, the engine did happen. Look what just happened. Let me step out of the car. Oh, there's a trailer back there too. Trailer, how are ya? Great. There's two cars and one lane. Oh, you're getting out. I'll show you guys what happened. But look at this beautiful view. Guys, the tow truck is here. Let me get out of my car. Oh, it's freaking hot. So, mis angelitos, it's my birthday today.
Ay, ahora a las 9 paro, a las 9 de la noche. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Angelito. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, ya nací. Look at how cute you look. She accidentally squirt a lotion there. But look at how cute her outfit is. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Oh my god, you look like J-Lo with your hair like that. You really look like J-Lo with your hair like that. Today's my birthday. So I'm here with my best friend.
Best friend's birthday.
And even though she's treating like a cow.
Sorry.
But she's gonna take me out.
Cheers.
Where to? She doesn't know.
You pick.
Oh, I don't know. She's gonna take me out. But before we start today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays, double TT. Oh, yeah, double her titties. So I got a new car today. You know, it's not my Honda. It's my brother's Acura. But yeah, we're just gonna cover the picture because we don't want to put them out there. Oh, but never mind. We're gonna cover my nails because before this one says something.
Yeah.
So where are we going? Back. I'm back. So yeah, she brought me to. Where did you bring me? La Fonda de Donchon. Fonda de Donchon?
Did you tell him where we were supposed to go, but we couldn't go because your car?
We could have still gone. I could have put gas in it and
Look how you're driving. Imagine over there.
I could still make it. Are you gonna go later?
Where?
To the dinner.
What's in there?
Fried chicken, beans, and rice. She got the same thing almost, but with
One enchilada.
enchilada and what are these?
Chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles. And castitos de bollo.
Let me see what sweet dinner I can.
You guys, if you guys don't know who they are, I am sorry you are not Mexican, but look at this restroom! Best friend, I am such an asshole. I was in the restroom vlogging and I saw you like from the window. So then I didn't even see the lady and there was an older lady coming and I just slammed the door on her. Guys, my best friend surprised me with a new Range Rover. Ah! I got a new Range Rover! Just played. No, I didn't. Bitch, I can't with her. We're here for 21, you guys. Oh my god. Thank you, best friend, for
My
the
mother,
Range Rover.
you want to stop at Cárdenas?
Why are you gonna stop at Cárdenas?
What the heck?
So we're here at Forever 21 because
It's shut down, guys.
it's gonna get shut down, but that's not the case. We're here because I still need to buy t-shirts for Vegas. I need to look like a snack, a whole appetizer, a whole entree, a whole something. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, I like those boots. This is cute. Cardi.
Guys, we were gonna buy anything, and this person over here, she is a bad influence. She's like, yeah, Bessie, take it. So, come on, Bessie, let's ditch the old car. Just like,
Okay.
okay, best friend, I'll ride with you any day.
Do not record me getting off.
Bye, best friend.
Bye.
I'll see you, I don't know when, later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So, yeah, mis angelitos, like, I already dropped up my best friend. I'll see her later. Probably you guys are not gonna see that part, but yeah. She's slowly getting off. Bye. Bye, sunshine. So I'm finally back home. It was a long drive. But I had fun just going everywhere with my best friend because I don't really see her that often, but oh my god, it was hella fun. But you know, we went to that one restaurant, which let me tell you, we were still eating and this waiter came and left us the tab. We weren't done, sweetie, we weren't done. But anywho, the food was amazing. Will I go there again? Maybe, if they treat me with a little bit more respect, because we weren't done eating, so you have to wait on the tab. Yes. But yeah, you guys, I know this video is a little short because today's my birthday and I have something to do at 7 and I have to get ready. So I went shopping, as you guys seen, but that's for Vegas. And then I have a Vegas vlog to record. It's just been a mess, mis angelitos. A mess, let me tell you. So Thursday night we're leaving to Vegas, which I already told you guys, I'm pretty sure. Coming back on Sunday, and then my car broke on me, as you guys seen at the beginning of this video. So I have to pay for that, which is like, because I popped the engine because I didn't put water and it overheated on me. So mis angelitos, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's too short, I know it's not that much. I'm sorry the neighbors are cutting the grass. But I will see you guys on Thursday because they don't shut up on Thursday. So double TT and keep on sharing these videos, you guys. Okay, mis angelitos, because we are growing. We are growing. My angelitos, and bye to my angelitos. I'll see you guys till next time. Loves and kisses, because you guys make my life a movie.